Hello students, today we are going to study introduction of sight distance. The safe and efficient operation of vehicle on the road depends very much on the visibility of the road ahead of the driver. It means that for safe and efficient operation of the vehicle on any particular road, it may depends very much on the visibility of the road ahead of the driver. Thus, the geometric design of the road should be done such that any obstruction on the road length could be visible to the driver from some distance ahead. This distance is said to be the sight distance. It means that the distance which is visible to the driver from some distance ahead for the safe and efficient operation of vehicle, that distance is said to be the sight distance. Next topic is type of sight distance. Sight distance available from a point is the actual distance along the road surface over which a driver from a specified height above the carriageway has visibility of moving object. It means that the sight distance is that actual distance along the road surface over which a driver from a particular height above the carriageway has the visibility of moving object on the road. Now we have various types of sight distances which are as follows: stopping sight distance, or the absolute minimum sight distance, or non-passing distance. Now, stopping sight distance is the minimum sight distance available on a highway at any spot having sufficient length to enable the driver to stop a vehicle traveling without collision with any obstruction. Now, next is the intermediate sight distance, which is generally provided when it is impossible to provide the overtaking sight distance, and it is generally 2 times of stopping sight distance. Now the next one is the overtaking sight distance, which is generally used for safe and efficient overtaking operations along a particular road. Now the next is the headlight sight distance, is the distance visible to a driver during night driving under the illumination of headlights. Now the next is the safe sight distance to enter into an intersection. It means that it is that distance which is provided at the entrance of an intersection. That is all about the introduction of sight distance. Thank you very much, students.